nangyari kay Paul and then how did you guys address that during the break?
We didn't. Ganun yung team namin eh. Talagang palagi may nakakaway sa team namin, hindi lang sila. So for us, it's just a matter of passion. Yes, we also talk about being able to control and regulate our emotions. But we did not even talk about it. We didn't even talk about it after the game. After the game, nagbibiro na yung laro, nag-holding hands na silang dalawa. So it was no big deal. It was just in the heat of the passion. Oh, holding hands. So we did not even talk about it in practice.
Alvin, ano sa inyong mga Bisaya, yung person sa yung Paul? Sa'yo, paano nangyari yun? Paano mo yung paano? Nakausapan na
yung kinaglen tsaka Boy. I think as a player, normal yung frustration eh. Siyempre sa mga ganong laban, dikdikan, lalabas talaga yung mga ugali na gusto mong manalo. Pero parang sumabog lang si Poy sa mga tawag, siguro sa mga tawag. Pero kaya sinabi ko sa kanila ngayon, iaan na natin sila coach mag-handle sa mga referee. Maglaro lang kami. Tsaka pinakita naman talaga ni Poy ngayon eh. May mga times na nagreklamo siya pero talagang parang hindi kaya sa sarili niya na maglaro na lang.